Aloha, Ohana! We are LILO, and this is another episode of the S-Teach series. Today, we're going to talk about Arithmetic Series. If you remember from the last episode, we talked about arithmetic sequences. You'll be needing that in today's video. Just to recall, a sequence is an ordered set of numbers with domains that are real, positive integers. And the general formula for an arithmetic sequence is
a sub n equals a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d.
I'll leave it here for your reference. Make sure to practice sequences first before we tackle the next topic. So what is an arithmetic series? A series is the sum of all the terms in an arithmetic sequence. This is the formula that you should remember. Now, let's do some sample problems together. Feel free to pause and try to solve the problems on your own, or follow along the video. Whatever you think is best for you. Here we go on to problem number 1.
Find the sum of the sequence 2, 4, 6, and 8. Yeah, I know it sounds easy, but you can either try to do this manually or use the formula. Or, if you'd like to know if the formula really works, you can try to do this manually and then use the formula. See if both answers are correct or the same. As stated before, you can pause the video at any time to answer the problem at your own pace. So, did you get the answer? The answer is 20. Here's the solution we used. You'll notice that whether if you use the manual method to do this or the formula, you'll still get the same answer, 20. If you want to know why exactly the formula works, I'll illustrate it here for you. Look at the sequence, 2, 4, 6, and 8. Let's try adding 2 and 8 first. 2 plus 8 is 10, right? Now what about the two middle numbers, 4 and 6? 10 also, right? 10 plus 10, 20. Now, try adding it one by one this time. 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 8 is 14. 6 plus 14 is 20. The formula that we use for arithmetic series is a shorthand version of saying what I just mentioned previously. 2 plus 8 is 10 and 4 plus 6 is 10, and 10 times 2 is also 20. Now that you have some background over how the formula works, it's on to problem number 2.
We are given the problem, find the sum of the first 5 terms of the sequence 8, 14, 20. Pause this video to solve on your own or keep watching to find out how we do it. The answer for the whole problem is 100. Wanna know how we got it? Well, the first step that we accomplish is to find the a sub 5. We plug in the values from our formula for the arithmetic sequence, which are the a sub 1, the value for n, and the difference. The first term is 8 in the sequence, and we can tell that the difference between the first two terms is 6. Since we are looking for a sub 5, n will now be 5. Plugging all of these in, you will get 8 plus 5 minus 1 times 6. Our answer is 32. 4 times 6 is equal to 24, and when we add 8 to it, it will become 32. Now we move on to our solution for series. Since we now have our value for a sub 5, we can plug it in the formula along with the other needed values. Our equation is now 5 times 8 plus 32 over 2. We will evaluate this equation now. The 8 plus 32 is equal to 40, 40 times 5 is equal to 200, and the last step is to divide 200 by 2, giving us the final answer of 100. Tell us in the comment section below if you got it right.
In the MOA Arena concert grounds, there are 35 seats in the front row. How many seats are there in total if there are 40 rows in the arena and each successive row increases by 2? The first step is to identify the values. D is equal to 2, a sub 1 is equal to 35, and we are looking for a sub 40. The second step is to plug in all the values of the given to the formula. it will be a sub 40 is equal to 35 plus 40 minus 1 times 3. The third step is to solve and plugging in the answer to the series formula, which is n times a sub 1 plus an over 2. It will look like this. Now, we solve. Following all the steps, the answer should be. If you didn't get it, feel free to rewind and pause the video for more time. Till the next episode of the Stitch series, goodbye!